Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will dive into the basics of Robo Framework and learn how to write our first program. Robo Framework is a powerful open source test automation framework that allows you to write test cases in a simple and readable format. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Robo Framework installed on your machine. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the Robo Framework website and follow the installation instructions provided there. So firstly, create a folder on Visual Studio Code, and in that folder create a file and name it as my first test.robo. .robo is the extension, and firstly we'll write some settings here. So documentation would be my first test to search item on Amazon, and I'll import a library here, that's Selenium library, and let's add some variables which are required for our test. First one would be the URL, that's amazon.in. Next would be the browser, we can use anything. Here I'm using Edge. And to start writing a test, we need to give this format here and start our first test. Give the test name, test Amazon search functionality, give tab and start. So open browser is the keyword given by Robo Framework for opening a browser. It's so simple, you nowhere write any code here. Okay, and you want to enter text, right? So input text here on the search box. So I've already written the XPaths to save time here, and give some text like, let's give books, and now click element. So you need to submit that search, right? So this is the XPath for the search box. And finally, you want to write an assertion, you want to test. It should contain results. Okay, and I'm closing the browser. So this is one of the simple tests which I've written. Let's run it. So to run the test, you need to enter robo space my first test.robo. It will open amazon.in and search for the books, then verify the results and close the browser. Here you can see the reports which are directly given by the Robo Framework, and these are very clear. You don't need to implement any reporting here. So the opening browser, input text, click element, page should contain, and close browser. Congratulations, you have successfully written and executed your first basic program on Robo Framework. This is just a tip of iceberg when it comes to what RoboFramework can do. You could explore more keywords, libraries, and advanced features to enhance your test automation capabilities. That's wrap up this video on the first basic program on RoboFramework. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on test automation and software development. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.